Hanan Mullah, prominent left leader. Sir, what was the talk about? Because we could see that you were displaying yes or no placards. Did any discussion took place?
In the morning, we said that we want withdrawal of the 3 acts. Right. We have no other demand. Either you accept it or reject it. Then government was talking, but we told we do not talk. Last 1 hour we did not talk, we kept silent. Okay. Enough we have talked. No more talk. Either you say yes or not. Okay. Then government minister went out, discussed with their higher ups, and came back. Then said that your demand we are considering. We are talking with the higher ups, and another 2 days will be taken to finalize, and we will inform you. And next meeting will be on 9th morning 11. Right. The government attitude is now that they are going to withdraw the 3 acts.
You're sure? Are you getting enough indication that the government is now ready to withdraw it?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What makes you so sure, sir?
Because of pressure. All India movement is developing. Bandh call is there. New people are coming and joining. Internationally, campaign started. Okay. So because of the government came under pressure.
Sir, one more thing. What about, the government giving in for the amendments? That is not acceptable.
No question of amendment. Withdraw हो जाएगा तो amendment क्या है? Okay. Amendment का सवाल ही नहीं, हम बोल दिया था.
No compromise on amendment?
No compromise on it.
What about your Bharat Bandh call for the 8th of December?
आज फैसला होता तो हम सोचता. आज फैसला नहीं हुआ इसलिए 8 भारत बंद होगा.
All right. There you have Hanan Mullah clearly saying that the government now is under a lot of pressure and there is a likelihood, indications from inside, that the government might withdraw the laws. That is what prominent left leader who was part of the negotiations concluded. With camera person Ashwini Helen, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
All right, so in crux, the matter is very clear. The brass tacks of it all is that the government will now have to meet the farmers full way. There is no middle ground. There is no halfway here. It's either take back all 3 farm laws or the agitation will continue. Which way will the government go? They've asked for 2 more days to deliberate over it. I have with me this evening Sardar R.P. Singh, spokesperson Bharatiya Janata Party. I have Vijay Javandia, founder member Shetkari Sangathan, and I have Kiran Kumar Vissa, co-founder Ritu Swarajya Vedika. Also, we'll be joined by Rahul Srivastav, my colleague, who's going to be joining us from the Vigyan Bhavan. But before, gentlemen, I come to you, I want to quickly cut across to our reporter Moshmi, who's right now inside the bus that is carrying the 40 farm union leaders from Vigyan Bhavan. Over to you, Moshmi. What's the reaction that you're picking up from there?
Speeding through the national capital is the bus, 2 buses in tandem, ferrying the farm union leaders from Singhu border to Delhi, and in turn a divide that is being attempted to be bridged by the government. The distance attempted to be shortened from the Singhu border to Delhi. Kya Delhi abhi dur hai? You're from Orissa. They say that this agitation is majorly a Punjab-driven agitation. What is the big takeaway from the meeting? Because apparently Narendra Singh Tomar did come out and say that it would have been better if the farm union leaders would have given concrete suggestions.
You see that in that meeting that discussion was held, but government couldn't give the concrete decision. That's why we told that with the yes or no, that you give the concrete decision. So government couldn't take the concrete decision, took the time for 3 or 4 days.
My question is the government trying to buy time, or is the intention of the government sincere?
You see, if the intention was honest, still then it is killing the times. I think that there is no need to take that several discussions. Right. Only that it is required that to give the decision. Whether
yes or no. Importantly, Preeti, as we zip through the national capital, let's take that question to Jagjit Singh Dallewala, who is a part of the core committee of the farm union leaders. Jagjit Singh ji, Narendra Singh Tomar ने अपील की है, महिलाएं और बच्चे हैं इस आंदोलन में, सर्दी बढ़ रही है, उनको वापस ले जाइए, उनको वापस घर भेज दीजिए.
देखिए, अगर सरकार को इतना हमारी चिंता है तो सरकार हमारा मसला जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व कर दे, हमारी मांग मान ले. तो ये बच्चे और औरतें, ये बूढ़े क्यों आए? सरकार का ये तो केवल मगरमच्छ के अंजू गिराने वाली बात है। यो सीरियस नहीं है इस बात पे कि हमारे किसान, बुजुर्ग किसान, औरतां, किसानों के बच्चे।
But he just said that the intention was honest. इन्होंने कहा कि सरकार की कोशिश जो है वो ईमानदार थी। आप कह रहे हैं कि सरकार मगरमच्छ के आंसू गिरा रही है।
देखिए, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
ईमानदार होती
हाँ,
तो देखिए आज इस आंदोलन के सामने, जब ये आंदोलन सरकार को ऐसा लगा ना कि ये देश का आंदोलन बनता जा रहा है और जन आंदोलन बन रहा है, जन आंदोलन के बनते हुए देखते सरकार अब झुकनी शुरू हुई है। अब सरकार ने पॉजिटिव रुख अख्तियार किया है। अब
सरकार ने पॉजिटिव, दैट्स अ बिग टेक अवे। The government seems to be on a positive note as far as listening, hearing out to the farm union leaders is concerned. One of the younger members in the entire meeting, let's take a reaction from him. How do you respond to the fact that you went on a 1-hour silent protest in the meeting, while the minister hoped that you should have given some suggestions? कुछ suggestions देने चाहिए था आपको।
It was fifth meeting, and it will be continue about 6. ये जो मीटिंग 5वीं मीटिंग थी, तकरीबन 6 घंटे 5वीं मीटिंग चली। सुजेशन ही तो देते आए हैं अब तक, सुझाव ही तो देते आए हैं अब तक। सुझाव दे दे के थक चुके हैं, पक चुके हैं और हताश हैं, परेशान हैं। सरकार इस बात को मूंछ का सवाल बनाए बैठी है, हठ धर्मी और जिद्दी बनी बैठी है और हमें टरकाए जा रही है। सरकार कोई ऐसा
को सरकार मानेगी कि नहीं? यहाँ से जब आप जाएंगे तो क्या बताएंगे कि वहाँ पे आंदोलनकारियों?
हम यही बताएंगे 9 तारीख को भी अगर सरकार ये कहती है हमें, हम आपकी बात मानेंगे, तभी हम मीटिंग में आएंगे और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है, हमारा आंदोलन इतना मजबूत है।
वाले जी बता रहे हैं कि अगर सरकार ये संकेत देती कि बात मानेंगे तभी बैठक में आएंगे।
देखिए, बात ये है, सरकार ने ये कहा है कि हम आपको 9 तारीख को प्रपोजल देंगे। अगर सरकार हमें प्रपोजल देती है तो समझेंगे ना, उस प्रपोजल लेंगे, प्रपोजल को देखेंगे उसमें क्या दिया है सरकार ने, और उस प्रपोजल के बाद ही हमारी आंदोलन के बारे में हमारा फैसला होगा। हमें जीतना है या हारना, किस साइड जाना है, आगे आंदोलन चलाना है या वापस लेना, क्या करना है।